All right, so I'll say, hello, Trevor, meet Miss Minutes. Miss Minutes, interestingly, will ignore that message and she'll only look for scheduling events. And Trevor will send me a message in response requesting a time for tomorrow morning. And Miss Minutes will elegantly respond. It's now pulling all of the calendar events on my Google Calendar behind the scenes, letting him know that I am booked for the 3-hour morning sessions. Thankfully, I'm available at 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. And of course, Miss Minutes will respond with the correct response that I will be available. And beautifully, the training session has been booked for 7 a.m. tomorrow. On my calendar, it will showcase that this event has been scheduled. Now let's go through the scenario that I'm sure you're all thinking about. What if Trevor actually wants to book the session at 8 a.m. and needs to reschedule? Let's go ahead and show you how Miss Minutes is going to handle that requirement. But Trevor, of course, needs to move it at 8 a.m. And beautifully, Miss Minutes responds accordingly that the training session has been scheduled for tomorrow at 8 a.m. Again, confirming that she'll see him then. On the back end, again, inside of my Google Calendar, that event will be saved. Now let's say Trevor has a late evening and partying till 2 a.m. as he usually does, and is forgetting what time he scheduled the training. So he checks in with myself and Miss Minutes. She confirms, Trevor, your session's at 8 a.m. Nervously and frantically, Trevor realizes he needs to cancel. And beautifully, Miss Minutes saves us both an awkward morning. Trevor gets to sleep in and I get to train him another day. He can ask me any other day, schedule any other time, and it avoids me as a trainer waking up at 2 a.m. to Trevor's pings and needing to reschedule myself. That's the beauty of having your own AI assistant in your pocket across any messaging channel, now available on Clerk Chat.